Hi there, this is Allison with Let's Go Travel Tips. Today is the last day of my cruise and I just wanted to answer the question of if someone offered me a free cruise today on Princess or Holland America, which one would I choose? So first of all, I would like to welcome all of our Let's Go family members. It is such a delight to have you all here with us. And also welcome to all of you who are new. We're really glad that you found us. If anyone hasn't subscribed yet, we would love it if you would please subscribe to our channel. And I think that you are going to love being part of the Let's Go family as well. We talk about everything to do with cruising, as well as especially, well, it's so important right now to know what the protocols are, and I do keep you up to date on what the protocols are on Holland America and Princess, and I'm looking to add other lines, and so I just wanted to let you know that. So like I said, this is the very last day of our cruise, and if I had someone offer me a cruise today, which is really how I could narrow down which cruise line I would choose, and they said you can go on Holland America or you can go on Princess, what would you choose? Today, I would choose Princess, and I would like to add I have been on Princess 14 times and I have only been on Holland America 1, and so I look forward to cruising on Holland America lots and lots to come, and I am still going to cruise on Princess a lot as well. So I'm going to talk to you in another video about all of the things in the columns of what I like and what I didn't like quite as much, what I like better about each line, and then hopefully just by supplying you that information, you will be able to decide which cruise line you might like to try next. Now, if just because I said I would choose the free cruise on Princess, if you've got a Holland America cruise booked, that does not mean uh-oh at all. I am really excited to get to go on Holland America again. So you can look forward to your Holland America cruise with great anticipation and expecting to have a lovely time, and you will. There are no deal breakers here, but I just wanted to let you know that kind of as I wind up here. We've got a lot to talk about when I get home. I would have talked to you more while I'm here, but the internet has been too slow to upload videos, and so I'll have to talk to you an awful lot more about it at home. So don't forget that on Monday evening, always on Monday nights, we have our live at 9 p.m. Eastern. So subscribe and hit that notification bell, that little bell next to the subscribe button. And then that way, when we go live, you will get a little notification on your phone or an email so that you know to come and join us. So we do our best to answer questions. Lots of people bring their questions and their fun experiences, and we have a really fun time together. And so I look forward to talking to you all then, as well as I've got lots of videos to share with you. So keep an eye on our channel because lots of information is going to be going up as well. So if you have any particular questions about Holland America, Princess, anything else, please do put them down below. If you've got any updates, if you are on a cruise ship or recently disembarked a cruise ship, we would really love to hear from you. And we would love to hear from you no matter what cruise line you were on and no matter what ship you were on, because it really helps all of us be prepared and have an idea of what's going on with everything. And a lot is happening right now. So thank you all for coming with me on my trip. I've had a fabulous time. I should have said at the beginning, for those of you who are new, I'm on the Koningsdam with Holland America, round trip out of Vancouver, and went to Alaska. And I did have an absolutely wonderful time and thoroughly enjoyed every moment. So I will, if you appreciate these updates, would you please give this video a thumbs up? And I will be talking to you all again really soon. You all take really good care. God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye.